So this is ALLPOWERS solar panel. As you can see, it comes foldable and it is actually very thin. You have your accessories on the bottom and the back here. All right guys, so if you open up the back, you have solar connectors. You also have different adapter cables as well. I love this. You got your manual in here, different plug adapters, cable adapters, and everything. So you got your standard solar panel, positive and negative cable in here. Let's go ahead and hook this up to a power station. All right guys, so can you see right up here, it says, oh, okay, it's that glare, there you go. It's 70 watts, so we're pulling in 70 watts right now. Now it's gonna be different depending on the time of day, the positioning of the panels, but right now we are pulling in 70 watts from the sun. The sun's kind of blocked between some trees and branches that we have over here, but it is getting a decent amount of sun, so we are pulling in 70 watts. And it's that simple, guys. So it's really that simple and that easy. What's great is their solar panels are compatible with a lot of their solar banks. So this is one power station. This is another ALLPOWERS power station, as you can see. So all we have to do if we want to swap out, take our power cable here, and we're going to go ahead and plug that right in here. And this is our smaller little bank. Now each power station will probably take in watt a little different. Let's see how much this pulls in. So this is at 53 watts. So that's what this one, 54, 56, 57. I don't know if you guys can see that. 62 watts, 63. So depending on your power station, each power station is going to absorb and take in the current a little bit different. As you guys saw, this one was pulling in and holding that 70 mark. Right now, this one's kind of holding at 67 watts for charging. But ALLPOWERS power stations, ALLPOWERS solar panels, I love them. I think they're fantastic. And that's why we actually have more ALLPOWERS than just this. And I highly recommend ALLPOWERS to you guys. If it's for solar panels or power stations, it gets an A+ and a recommendation from Scott's Honest Reviews any day and every day.